Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers been watching and don't know how to subscribe. That's all you had to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching. Thank you for leaving all the good comments and everything. Today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. The Super Bowl is coming up, so I just want to throw something out there if you're wondering how you're going to fix the Super Bowl or something like that. Today I'm just going to be doing something short and brief. Today I'm have these mini corn dogs right here. So what I'm going to do after I put them in air fry them, I'm going to air fry them. As you see, they're nice and small and everything. I'm going to air fry them. I'm going to put them on the stick and everything. And I'm going to have some curly fries with it. And I'm going to put them on the stick. I use a kebab stick like this right here. I just cut it into three. So they'll be easy to put on the stick and everything. And I'm going to air fry these fries. I already have video on curly fries and everything. If you want to do some air fried chicken wings, or if you want to do some air fry other things, that's all you had to do is just stroll down. You see what Mr. Bell have on there. That give you a good idea for the Super Bowl and everything. You can make them cheese very happy and everything. Go cheese. So I'm going to get started right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set this right here on air fry. As you see, it's on air fry. And I'm going to set it for 375. It's on there. And I'm just going to set it for, I'm just going to set it for like 6 minutes. 6 minutes. And I'm going to press start. You know, you could put it in while it's heating up and everything. I'm not going to use the 6 minutes because I'm going to put it in now. So as you see, I have my grill plate in here and everything. I'm going to sit it on. And I'm going to just spray it a little. I'm going to do these corn dogs first. Spray it just like that. And I'm just going to set them in right here. After I set them in, I'll bring my camera closer so we all can see together. You know, Mr. Bell like to take you step by step. So I'll put it in just like this. Put them in there. And this is my first time doing the miniature corn dogs in here. We're going to see this together. How it come out. And I'm going to close it. And it's ready to go. So we're going to do that first, and I'm going to move the camera over so you can get an idea too. So it's been about 3 minutes. We're going to take a look at this. As you see, it's coming out pretty good and everything. It's pretty much hot. I'm going to put the top back down. So I have 1 minute left. So I'm just going to look at them and kind of flip them over a little. Yeah, they're coming out nice and good. I don't want them to get too hard. I'm going to put the top back down, let them finish cooking. Okay, so that 1 minute is up. I'm going to raise this top up and everything. I'm going to take a look at it. Press cancel. And as you see, they're looking nice and good. It's not too hard. So I'm gonna take these out. You don't want them staying there too long. Take them out just like this and set them to the side. Just like that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna just set it on air fry Temperature gonna be 375. And I'm gonna set the minutes for like 25 minutes. I'm not gonna use all of it. And I'm gonna press start. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put these curly fries in. I'm gonna just put them in just like this, just dump them in just like that. Let it go in like that and put the top down and let it air fry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put them on a stick just like this, as you see, coming out nice and good. Just put them on just like this. And so when you're grabbing it, you just grab it, dip it in whatever you want to dip it in, take a bite, and this right here is going to be very delicious. It's easy and it's quick. Just put the sticks in, just like that, and you have your miniature corn dogs. Or you can use the regular corn dogs. So, okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to take a look at it. As you see, they're coming out nice and good and everything. These right here, some nice good curly fries and everything. It's coming out good. It's easy. And it's quick. Put the top back down, let it cook a couple more minutes, and I'm going to take them out. Okay, it's been 9 minutes. These fries are done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to press cancel. And I'm going to take these out just like this. As you see, they're looking nice and good. I'm going to put them right here on this plate. This right here is a good combo. Put it right here, just like that. Oh yes. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this out the way, and I'll be right. Here go your mini corn dogs and your curly fries. This right here go good for the Super Bowl, and go cheese. I'm going to taste one of these right here. I like a combination with mustard and ketchup and everything. You can use any kind of sauce you want to use, and I'm just going to dip it just like this, and I'm going to take a bite and demonstrate it, see how it tastes. Nice and good. Tastes good. This right here is nice and quick for the Super Bowl. And that's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, just hit that bell. And just scroll down. Mr. Bell got a lot of videos out there. You can do the air fried chicken or hot dogs, however you want to do it and everything. It's nice and quick. You don't have to make a big mess in your kitchen, and it's nice. And go cheese.